Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be going on WikiHow and we're going to be typing the random article button and we're going to have to learn whatever it lands on. I mean whatever. It's going to be an experience, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so first of course we need a searching device because I'm using this device currently in my hands to film. So we're going to use our school iPad. Thank you so much, Newbury Park. So we're going to take that outside. I don't know why I'm holding it up like that, but then we walk. And of course I realized I can't open the ding dang door. So what do? I put it on the bed and open the door. And yeah, now let's get out of here and go search. And so began my search. Look at me clacking away at those keys. So determined. I was ready to search up and do whatever I wanted to do, except I got some stuff that had to do with marijuana. Now I don't really grow that, so I think we're gonna have to skip that one. So I reattempted my failed search, looking for something that wasn't plant-based. And we struck gold. Now this seemed like something up my alley, so I decided to do it. At first glance, it seemed I had all the necessary tools. So began my search. I of course decided to go for the pencil first because that seemed to be the most important tool I needed, and I acquired it. I then went for the scissors, which were placed on my bed. I sadly couldn't find any ruler, so I ran to my room sad, and then I found it. The holy book. Of course my mom would kill me if I used her book, so I decided to use my economics book instead. I then went to get the most essential part of the project, paper. And last but not least, the string. Of course, so I can add the handles. I don't know why I grabbed it like that, but I'm happy about it. So we got everything, but we're missing just one thing. It's the glue. We can't really find any, so we'll be back when we have some. Let's get to work. Yeah, so this part's really long. I'm sorry about that, but I just folded some stuff up. Was following the WikiHow. As you can see, my finger was scrolling to the iPad, following the steps. And I think I'll just cut to the bag itself because you don't want to see me fold all this, so this is the end result. Oh my, I don't know if I'm satisfied or not, but let's test it out. Alright, so for my test, we got here our little, whatever this thing's called, plushie, and we're gonna stick him in here if he can fit. I'm gonna go get something smaller. Alright, so we got this power brick. Let's try it out. Oh, hey, it actually works, kind of. See? That's gonna conclude the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of this WikiHow stuff, just let me know. I'm willing to do it because this quarantine is just too boring, man. So catch you in the next video.